Humanoid robots are no longer just research prototypes or flashy tech demos. In 2025, they've started working on real automotive production lines, shoulder to shoulder with human workers. From Figure's robots at BMW, to Apptronik's Apollo at Mercedes-Benz, and Tesla's mass deployment of Optimus, the car industry is becoming the testbed for humanoid robotics at scale. BMW and Figure AI, testing humanoids in Spartanburg. In 2024, BMW became one of the first global automakers to bring humanoid robots directly into car production. At the BMW Group plant in Spartanburg, the company began testing the Figure 02 humanoid robot in a real production environment. During its first trials, the robot was tasked with inserting sheet metal parts into special fixtures, an ergonomically demanding process that requires millimeter-level precision. BMW board member Milan Nedeljovic described the move as a way to explore how humanoids could transition from development to industrialization. And according to Figure CEO Brett Adcock, the Spartanburg deployment marked the first time this class of robot was successfully tested in automotive production. By May 2025, the Spartanburg trials reached a new milestone. Figure 02 completed a 20-hour run of back-to-back shifts on the BMW X3 production line. For weeks leading up to that achievement, the robots had already been running 10-hour shifts, matching the rhythm of human crews. As far as we know, BMW and Figure are the first in the world to sustain this kind of production schedule with humanoid robots. That doesn't just prove endurance, it shows that humanoids can be trusted to keep pace with real factory cycles, side by side with people, on one of the most demanding automotive lines in the world. Strategic significance. For BMW, Spartanburg is more than just another plant. It's one of the company's largest production hubs worldwide, and it now serves as a testing ground for how humanoid robots can fit into real workflows. These early trials also tie back to the BMW iFACTORY vision, a long-term roadmap for future production focused on efficiency, digitalization, and sustainability. Figure 02's deployment is giving BMW the data it needs to understand how humanoids can integrate with existing production systems, communicate with digital infrastructure, and ultimately support human workers by taking on the most physically exhausting, repetitive, and ergonomically challenging jobs. In short, what's happening at Spartanburg today could shape the way BMW builds cars tomorrow, humans and humanoids, working side by side. Apollo in the Mercedes-Benz factory. At Mercedes-Benz's Berlin-Marienfelde Digital Factory campus, Apollo, the humanoid robot developed by Apptronik, is becoming a symbol of the company's transformation strategy. The campus itself is a global hub for innovation, first established in 2022, and it plays a critical role in testing next-generation manufacturing technologies, from AI-driven quality systems to new methods of producing axial flux electric motors. By placing Apollo in this environment, Mercedes-Benz isn't just experimenting, it's integrating humanoid robots into the very heart of its MO360 digital production ecosystem, which connects software, data, and processes across the entire global network. This means Apollo's performance today isn't confined to Berlin. It could influence how every Mercedes factory operates tomorrow. Why Mercedes chose Apollo? Mercedes-Benz has been using industrial robots since the 1970s, but those machines were fixed, single-purpose, and isolated behind cages. Apollo changes that paradigm. Designed with human proportions, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 160 pounds, capable of lifting 55 pounds, it can operate in human-oriented spaces without requiring costly factory redesigns. At Berlin-Marienfelde, Apollo is being tested on tasks like transporting components, supporting skilled workers, and performing initial quality inspections. Its hot-swappable batteries keep it running continuously, while teleoperation and augmented reality tools allow Mercedes employees to train Apollo directly, passing on decades of expertise from human technicians into a robotic assistant. As CEO Ola Kalenius put it, humanoid robots are no longer just a popular theme in sci-fi movies, they have become reality. Everyone, meet Apollo, the advanced humanoid. Tesla's Optimus, scaling at speed. No company is pushing humanoid robots harder than Tesla. By 2025, Tesla has already produced hundreds of Optimus robots, with thousands planned by year's end. The deployment started at the Fremont factory, where Optimus is taking on repetitive jobs like picking components, tightening screws, transporting parts, and even basic inspections. While still slower than humans, Optimus has a key advantage: it can work continuously and adapt to new tasks through AI learning. Elon Musk has described them as digital employees, projected to save Tesla up to $57,550 per year per robot once they are deployed. Strategic impact of Optimus. Despite these challenges, Optimus represents one of the largest real-world humanoid robot deployments ever. Tesla is proving what's possible in its own factories before opening sales to outside companies in 2026. The strategic impact is huge, redefining workforce roles, lowering operational costs, and pushing AI-driven automation into mainstream manufacturing. Whether successful or not, Tesla's experiment is shaping the future of robotics across the entire automotive industry. The bigger picture: humanoids as car makers. BMW's Figure, Mercedes' Apollo, and Tesla's Optimus all reflect a new reality. Humanoid robots are no longer distant science fiction. They are now stepping onto factory floors, working with humans, and transforming automotive manufacturing. The auto industry is leading the charge, but the ripple effects will spread far beyond cars. These humanoids could soon shape logistics, electronics, consumer goods, and more. We are witnessing the dawn of a new industrial revolution, where humanoid robots may one day become the new car makers.